Hello guys, I'll show you how to change the radiator coolant for Honda Accord Touring V6 2017. So I literally had no coolant at all. So all you need to do is buy coolant, still water, a brush to clean if you have any rust or corrosion, and a drainage vessel and a open the hood. So I literally had zero coolant. Here's the coolant box. I pour distilled water for some cleanup. You know, if you can see this rust and corrosion inside, so we need to clean that first. Yeah, so leave that open for now. If you can see bottom, the very bottom, you see that's you put the drainage plate on the below bottom that, and there's a hose which you will require to open. I cannot. Oh, you see that? Yeah, that one there. So it's pretty hot, so I'm not gonna put my hand inside. Yeah, we have to reach there to open it, so you can get your hand slim enough to reach from the top, otherwise you can reach from the bottom. So let me see if I can do this. I put the mat and try to this. So right there. There you go. Seems like it's drained. Did you tight the when it's completely drained? As you can see, all my distilled water is gone. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one out. Took this one out. We're gonna clean this up. You see, there's rust and corrosion. Yeah, we gotta clean that up. Still leaking. Has to drain completely, so then you can put the new one. Yeah, meanwhile we can clean the coolant box. So we're gonna put some distilled water in it. Gonna use this brush to clean it. Oh fuck, doesn't fit. So I bought the wrong brush, but you know, I did not check the measurement, my bad. So it won't go in for this. Let me try this one then. Luckily I had this one though, so we're gonna clean this with that. Hot. So we're gonna pour some in it. Wait, you're gonna need some funnel. There you go. First do it for your radiator. That will do. Open this one. Put this guy back in. I spilled a little, but that's okay. You can clean it up later. Not a big deal. It's not an acid, so yeah. And then we're gonna start up the engine so that the coolant we have poured into the radiator will circulate. And while doing so, we will turn the heat all the way up.